Exercise 1.1, question number 3. Here the heading is question number 3. We have sub questions. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. In previous question number 2, they gave first term and common difference. We solved finding AP, arithmetic sequence of AP, arithmetic progression. Now using AP, we have to find first term and common difference. It is very easy. Just observe. First AP, minus 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, so on. This is our AP. So here, as I told you, the first number itself a first term. As the name word says, that first term. So the first number in the AP, given AP itself a first term. So in this AP, 3 itself a first term. So A1 equals 3, or you can write it as first term equals 3. Common difference. To get a common difference, you have to subtract first term by the second term. So that means A2 minus A1, or you can take A3 minus A2. That means subtracting the preceding term from the succeeding term. Clear? So or either you do A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. So here observe, you can, to find it D, you can go A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. That means subtracting the preceding term from the succeeding term to get common difference D. So here observe, common difference A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 2 here. Sorry, 1. Here A2 is 1. So 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 1 minus 3 equals minus 2. So our common difference is minus 2. Either you can go for A3 minus A2 also. A3 minus, let me check it. A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 1. Minus of A2 is minus 1, it is minus 2. Same, we got a common difference. Same, either you can go for A4 minus A3, that is minus 3 minus of minus 1. So minus 3 minus of minus 1, it is plus 1. So A3 plus minus 3 plus 1, it is minus 2. So in each case we are getting the common factor called D, that is minus 2. Just using the AP, observe the first term, the first number itself a first term, and subtracting two consecutive, that means subtracting the preceding term from the succeeding term, will get the common difference. Second sub question, minus 5 minus 1 3 7. So first term is minus 5. The first number itself is here minus 5. So they consider it as first term minus 5. Common difference A2 minus A1. So here A2 is minus 1. So minus 1 minus of, here the in formula itself A2 minus itself in the question. So again A1 is minus 5. So minus 1 minus of minus, it is plus. So minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 4. So here common difference is 4. Or you can go for this also, A3 minus A2, that is A3, it is 3 minus of minus 1. So 3 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. 3 plus 1 again 4. Or 7 minus 3. Or A4 minus A3, 7 minus 3 again 4. So in each case we are getting the common factor 4, and that 4 is the common difference of this AP. Third sub question, here it is a fraction, be careful. So 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. So this is, make it as by, this is by, so 13 by 3. So first term A1 equals 1 by 3. First term itself here 1 by 3. Common difference, just subtracting 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. It is very simple. Why no? Because denominators are same. We can subtract the numerator, or we can directly add the numerator. So here 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So denominator is same. So 5 minus 1, it is 4 by 3. Or either you can take the next previous term, or A3, 9 by 3. 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 3 is common. 9 by 5, 4. So here we are getting 4 by 3 as the common factor in each sequence. So here the common difference is 4 by 3. Fourth sub question, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. Here the first term 0.6, so 0.6 itself a first term. Common difference, just subtracting to the succeeding term. So here succeeding term is 1.7, 1.7, observe 1.7 minus 0.6. So 7 minus 6, 1 minus 0 is 1. So minus 1.1. So 1.7 minus 0.6, you will get 1.1 as the common difference. Either you can go for 2.8. So 2.8. So let us go for these two. 2.8 minus 1.7. So we'll get 2.8, 1.7. 7 minus 8 minus 7, it is 1. 2 minus 1, it is 1. So 1.1 is the common difference in this AP.